Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from stake.com to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, and before we start, you need to have access to Bitcoin wallet on Cash App. If you don't have an access, you need to verify your identity, guys. Just click your profile icon and click verify your identity right here. Go through verification, and you will have access to Bitcoin wallet address. So to check your wallet address, you need to click the bank icon on the bottom, and here you will find Bitcoin. Click it, scroll down, and click deposit Bitcoin. Get your Bitcoin address. You need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address, and then you can close your Cash App, guys. Now we need to go to the stake.com. Then we need to click wallet on the top, guys. We need to click withdraw right here. On the top, you need to search for BTC. It's the first one. So we need to use BTC for withdrawal because Cash App only supports BTC. You need to enter the withdrawal amount. And right here, you need to paste the Cash App wallet address. We just copied from Cash App, guys. Here are some rules. Here's the minimum withdrawal amount. There are also some fees, guys. So when you fill these gaps, you need to click the withdraw button, verify your transaction, and you'll send your Bitcoin to the Cash App, guys. So that's super simple. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.